It's the dawn of a new workday. And while it may start like most ordinary days, something extraordinary is happening. Vactor is changing the way operators work. It's about a new level of simplicity and operating ease. It begins at the very moment an operator arrives at a job site, because the Vactor 2100i features the IntuiTouch control system. Inside the cab, just one touch is all it takes to start working. Out in front is a control station that puts all cleaning functions in a single, simple control panel that adapts to the operator, putting every essential function within reach. It's easy to understand the advantages of the IntuiTouch system, and even easier to operate. The IntuiTouch control system, simply a better way to work.